So I bought me one of these Power Stroke pressure washers, and it's not a cheap one. I think it was about 300 bucks. It's 3100 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute. Not a commercial one, but you know, a decent $300 residential one. Anyways, assembly was pretty simple, but the motor was attached to the frame when I bought it, and nothing in the instructions talked about mounting it or anything like that. And I went to use it for the first time and the damn motor fell off. So I could be one of those guys that takes it back, but I'm kind of a weekend warrior. I like projects. I like putting stuff back together. So I decided I'd modify it myself. So the failure is there's 4 motor mounts. One there, and then 2 on the other side as well. And it's connected with these things. And they're just squeezed inside these rubber caps. And these longer ones were connected to the motor. These shorter ones were up here underneath the frame. And basically, this rubber cap would sit here, and you had one here on top that went inside connected to the motor, and then you had one underneath on this side. So basically holding the motor to the frame was just this small little rubber thing. So what I'm going to do is I went ahead and I drilled holes inside this, because I kind of want this rubber piece here for vibration prevention. So I drilled holes in this, in all 4 of them. And then I went and found me 4 longer bolts and some washers. And I'll mount the motor the correct way to the frame. Alright, so here's the finished product with this power washer. Got the motor on there. Now the size of bolt that I used, for some reason this one underneath the oil fill spot, I had to actually put the bolt in there the opposite way that I put all these other ones. So I don't know why this is so dark. Let me get a flashlight. Anyway, so bolt there, that one I had to put in backwards here on the left side. But anyways, so if you buy this Power Stroke 3100 psi, you're either going to want to modify it or have somebody do it for you, because the motor will not stay on there. But here's the other side. So I just put those 2 bolts in there, drilled a hole through that rubber gasket piece there so I'd have that safety from vibration, and bolted it on the bottom. So there it is. Probably about a $300 pressure washer. So just felt like I ought to modify it and make it how I want it. Thanks, guys.